Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever the time zone you are turning into, you are turning in from. Sorry. You already know my name is Abu001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button also, so that you'll be the first person to what to see the video, to watch the video, the next video we are dropping. Yesterday, the video was late. It's due to the network. Seriously, the network in my area MTN was bad yesterday, so I was not I was not able to drop it earlier. So it was late that I dropped it. So what we have today, you already know, we do our daily analysis. And that's what we used to do. That's our work. That's what that's what we have. We don't have any other space than this and others any other skills you are into. Seriously, but let's just some trade we took yesterday, some went in our favor. Yeah. GBP, GU and um GU and EU, they went in our favor. Why some did not even trigger our entry? Yep, yep. So let's see what is happening in the chart today. There is Forex Factory. You already know this Forex Factory. What do we do in Forex Factory? So check the fundamental analysis. Maybe there is news. Yep, there is. And 230. We are having unemployment claims. Yeah, this is unemployment claims and 230. It's up last week. This week also. This week, let's see this week. The last 3 weeks, which is February 5, it was what? It was red. Well, the last week one is was green. Definitely it was what? It was, but let's see today's own. They say actual less than forecast is good for the currency. So that we know what is we're expecting now. This is the forecast, and we are expecting less than the forecast. So let's quickly go. This is what we have. So you already know I used to say if the news is coming, we should stay away from the news 15 minutes before the news, and we should enter the news. We should enter the market back after 15 minutes after news or 30 minutes after news. So let's quickly move into the chart and see what the chart has for us. Let's see what the chart has for us. Okay, this is the chart. This is the trade we analyzed yesterday. I think this is XAGUSD, but you already know we started from what? We started from XAUUSD, which is good. This is good. This is what gold is doing. From 1 hour time frame, this is what gold is telling us. It's telling us uptrend. And this is the what swing high and this is the swing low. Market is in what? Market is in between the swing, is in between the what? The swing low and the swing high. So if we see break of structure, definitely the market is in uptrend. So what we are doing now, if we really enter structure, market is telling us break of structure, market is telling us what? Uptrend. Seriously, market is telling us uptrend. What we just need is just to find the place to join the uptrend. So let's move to 4 hours. Let's see maybe there is opportunity of 4 hour to join the following trend. This is 4 hour. This is 4 hour. Those are the trade we took yesterday. So this is where the opportunity is of 4 hour. The reason why I said this is the opportunity is we have there's FEG here. After market mitigated this FEG, you can see after market restricted this FEG. This FEG, after market restricted this FEG, but market couldn't break this place. Definitely, this has turned to liquidity. Yeah, this return to liquidity. As for me, it's going to turn to liquidity. This is liquidity. The reason why we are still taking the uptrend because this is the supply on 4 hours. This is the supply on 4 hours. This is the last supply market broken on what? On 4 hours. This is the last supply market broken on 4 hours. But if this couldn't hold it, this is where the market is coming to push it up. But let's see if the market is going to reach this supply. This will be the supply I'm expecting to push the market down. But let's see what is happening. But market has given us what? Break of structure. But let's move. The market has break this supply, this previous supply, and this is the recent supply market that's not mitigated. So let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. Maybe there is opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is where the market mitigated, and you can see and market couldn't break this high again, and this has turned to liquidity. This has turned to liquidity, and this is the order block. Let's see if the market can touch the order block and push it up. Because let's say on 4 hours, maybe we have opportunity on 4 hours. This is where we have opportunity on 4 hours. We are having FEG here. If this couldn't hold it, we are having FEG here. But as for me, this is the main higher low that give us this high. All these ones are internal, and they are what they are liquidity. All these ones are internal and create are internal. They are liquidity because it's the one it is the low that break this high, and it first came back, go back again. So this is the low that break this high. So definitely this is the main low, this is the main supply, this is the main demand to push the market up. All these ones are internal and liquidity. They are just you just respected you just respect it. But let's follow what the market is doing on 1 hour time frame. This the market could not break it. So definitely let's see if this market will sweep this liquidity and come back here and continue the uptrend, because I'm expecting the uptrend. Seriously, I'm expecting the uptrend. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame asks for us on 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame, market will sweep this liquidity of 15-minute time frame and continue the uptrend. So let's see if the market can come back and continue the uptrend. That is what I'm looking for. We are looking for buy on gold also. This is what gold prints for us, and this is what we are looking for on gold. Let me see this other block. This is the 15-minute. I think that is the 15-minute other block. Market created. You can see after market mitigated, the market give us another break of structure here. Market showed the block. So let's just wait for market to come and mitigate this other block. Let's see if this other block is going to push it up. Let's see if this other block is going to push the market up. Let's move to sliver. Let's see what sliver is doing. This is what sliver is doing. Sliver and gold, they move together. On weekly time, on daily time frame, we have swing high and our swing low, and this is the last break of structure we have on daily time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the recent supply. Market has mitigated this supply, but this supply has not decided seriously. It's trying the seller are in the supply, trying to push the market down, while the buyer too are trying to put the market up. So both are fighting for the market. Seriously. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see, maybe there is opportunity on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the opportunity on 4 hour time. This is the last break of structure near the supply zone, near this recent supply zone. You can see after market mitigated the supply zone, market come back to this demand that create give all this break of structure. But what market is doing in that demand, it has not played seriously, it has not played. But if market is trying to come back, if market is trying to come back, this is where we are be expecting the market to continue the buy seriously. But let's see what is happening on this break of structure, and let's see what market has for us on this break of structure. You can see market is in this other block. This is demand where the buyer enter. Let's see 15-minute time frame our entry. Maybe there is small liquidity. Market is trying to sweat. Yeah, this is liquidity as for the market has swept it. But this is the break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure here. So market is in this demand. Let's just see what this demand is trying to do for the market. Maybe the demand want to break the supply, but I will not say this demand is strong. Seriously, I will not say this demand is strong. But if market may come back, there is FEG here. Seriously. Let's see 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's 4 hours. After market mitigated this FEG. Is this FEG that's trying to push the market up? So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Seriously, let's do what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. So I'm still expecting buy on what on Sliver also. So I'm still expecting buy on Sliver also. I don't know what those investors are doing with the Sliver and gold also. So let's move to US 30. Yeah, US 30. But don't forget, we have news around we have economic news around 2:30 USA news. So let's see, maybe that news is going to favor the dollar or is not going to favor the dollar. So let's start from daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You can see this is the swing low, this is the swing high. Market is in between the swing low and the swing high, but market is trying to mitigate this supply seriously, because if you can see it that what is happening now is market has mitigated. This is the first time. The second time push it up. If the market came back to this third time, this is the third time that is going to push the market up straight away. Bullish. So let's move to the 4 hours time frame. This 4 hour time frame. This is the last. This is the way this buyer enter. This is where the buyer enter. Seriously, this is where the buyer enter, and this is where the seller. This is where sorry. This is where the seller enter. The reason why this is the last break of structure, you see. But this is the last break of structure after the market after liquidity swept. You can say this is the last break of structure, but this is the supply zone on that last break of structure. But what we are having now, after market mitigated this place, but I'm expecting this place, the market to swept it. This place has turned to support. So definitely market is going to respect our support level than this other block. The reason why it is this other block is because this is where the buyer enter the market. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. After market give us, this is the last break of structure, and this is the previous break of structure. This is the recent break of structure on what? On the time frame. On the time frame. Let's just see what the market is trying to do. Internal break of structure. So let's see if this other block is trench is going to push the market up. But we should be patient to that we are in near the supply zone. This is where the other block, this is the last supply because there's FEG here. I want the market to go up because there's FEG on 1 hour time frame. Seriously. So this will serve as liquidity for me. This will serve as liquidity. Let's move to 15 minutes to redefine the entry very well because of the stop loss. 15 minutes did not give us the opportunity sir. 15 minutes does not give us opportunity because all these candles are has already been mitigated on 15 minute time frame. So we guys be patient, seriously. If you want to take this trade, we guys be patient. We guys be patient, seriously. Serious patience. But we are buying from here. This way we are buying. So let's wait. Let's see. This is the last FEG. Now the supply zone. So this is liquidity. And so many, this is liquidity. This is liquidity. This is liquidity for me. So you can see this is liquidity because this is supply. So that give us what? That give us this last break of structure. So this will be all this place will be liquidity. They are liquidity, seriously. They are liquidity. Which market is going to sell and continue that trend because on 1 hour time frame, this is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, we are having what? We are having what? We are having FEGA. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to EU. GU, sorry. Let's see what is happening on GU. This is what is happening on GU. This is a trend. These are our entry yesterday. These are buy yesterday. I think this is Monday on. This Tuesday on. This Wednesday on. Let's see what the market is doing. From daily time frame, this is what the market is doing. This is our swing low and this is our swing high. All this one are correctional movements. So this is the other block here. Let's see 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is trying to do. If market is trying to go up, this is the FEG. So market is trying to mitigate this place before continuing the downtrend. So let's see what is happening in the market today. This is what is happening in the market today. This is what is happening in the market today. Can see break of structure, market mitigated is continuing the downtrend. But let's read the market now. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. And these are what? These are other block. Let's see if that other block is going to respect the market is going to respect this other block. But we got be patient. Seriously, we got be patient. We got be patient seriously because this is the last break of structure and this is the supply that is trying to put the market up down. And this supply as for me is manual supply for me, seriously. It's manual supply for me. It's not too valid because you can see this is the last break of structure. This is our liquidity, inducement, sorry. It's our inducement. Inducement, seriously. Because on daily time frame, this is the last break of structure set we have on daily time frame. And you can see this is the inducement. Market and there's FET here, which market is going to respect. So definitely the market is in uptrend. On 4 hours, this is what we have on 4 hours. Because GU is faster than EU now. Nowadays, EU is just slow. EU is just slow, but GU is fast. Let's just say this is our break of structure, and this will be our stop loss. You can see our stop loss is large. Seriously, this will be our demand. Our stop loss will be large. Seriously. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This 1 hour time frame, and all this so as liquidity. Markets may enter it correct seriously. But this serve as inducement. This serve as inducement. You can see it serve as inducement. This is where the market expected. It serve as inducement. As for me, this is inducement. But I don't know, maybe this inducement is going to be strong enough. It's strong enough self. So seriously, because it does not have any unmitigated weak. So this is the market that's mitigated it. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. So let's be patient if we want to take this trade. because our stop loss is going to be large for this trade. This trade I'm looking at, our stop loss is going to be large. Seriously. Our TP here. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15-minute time frame is. This is what 15-minute time frame is trying to tell us. And this is the demand that give us all these places can serve as liquidity. Market is going to solve. They mitigated the hit and what continued the uptrend. But this is what check that. So this is what the market is telling us on GU. So there is FED here, which market is coming to mitigate it on 15-minute time frame. So let's just be patient. Patient is the key to success. Let's just be patient. Seriously. If you are patient enough, this is our setup. Let the market enter the setup and what this shows the what he wanted to dish us. Seriously, that's the rules of the market. That's the rules of the market. What we do on the market is that we react to what the market asks for us. After reacting to it, after we did our analysis, after we did our analysis, so we are expecting the market if it will dish us profit, or if the market is going to tell us if our analysis is wrong or correct. So as for me, this way we are buying. But this guy is the one that's giving me the headache. The reason why it's giving me the headache is that all these ones are going to be liquidity. Seriously. But let's move to EU. Let's see EU. EU is kind of slow. Is a kind of the market is slow. Seriously. I don't know what happened to the market. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's start as usual from daily time frame. This is our swing high, this is our swing low. So what the market is trying to do is was trying to do correctional movement, but the market is not giving. It's not what do I say? Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of social market gave us. All these ones are liquidity. Market is going to sweat. Yes, but what is happening? Market respected this supply because this is where the seller enter. This is where the seller enter. Seriously, this is where the seller enter. This is where the seller enter. So, so let's see our analysis. This 4 hour time frame. After market mitigated the space, it's trying to push it down. But this is where the buyer enter. So we guys be patient. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. After give us change of character and markets mitigated this other block. After market mitigated this other block of change of characters, giving us bullish. But what we are doing now, you can see market give us the profits. This is what we are doing now. This is our last break of structure. This is our last break of structure. And this is what we are having. We are having other block here. Let's see if this other block is going to push the market upward. But this is the supply that is trying to push the market down. Seriously, this is the supply. You can see the supply is the one that's trying to push the market down. All this one is serve as liquidity. All this is serve as liquidity. So, but market is telling us uptrend. Let's just see what the market has. Let's see 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame. So we are expecting the market to mitigate this before anything else. Let's redefine the market so that because of the stop loss. So there is weekly key level here. So let's see if the market is going to push up. I don't know what happened to EU. Seriously, EU just kindly slow nowadays. Seriously, let's just follow this analysis. I did not take this seriously. Seriously, I did not take this seriously. hmm But let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see if market is going to break the structure. Let's move to UJ, USDJPY. That's the meaning of UJ. Market has mitigated our other block safe. From daily time frame, this is what is happening. This is the supply zone, but market is in what is in support. This is with liquidity. The reason why this is liquidity is the one that gave us this sell, and it couldn't what it couldn't break this sell. It couldn't break it. If it break this lower low, you will say this supply is valid. But as for me, it's not valid. It is liquidity. Market is going to sweat it, come to this supply, continue the downtrend. That's it. But let's just take this uptrend. Let's take this uptrend. Seriously. Let's see where we can join the uptrend. Seriously. You can see on daily time frame we have market has mitigated this weekend do has give us. So this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. And if you see on that daily time frame, there's FEG near it. This is the internal break of structure. So fam, as you are watching the video, don't forget to subscribe also. Seriously. Don't forget we know by you know that we rise by lifting each other. Seriously. And I'll be dropping video every day. This daily analysis will be every day. I'm finding time to be dropping this what again? This sometimes some content again. So let's just see what is happening. Yeah. Let's redefine the market here. But this is the last break of structure here, which market has mitigated. But you can say this is valid. This 4 hours order block is valid as for me, but let's just use Fibonacci retracement. Let's see if the market retraces from 38. Let's see if the market retraces from 38. You can see the market retraces from 38, no, 38.20. So it is valid. We can say the other block is valid itself. Seriously. This is internal break of structure. So let's move to 1 hour to see what 1 hour is trying to tell us. This is 1 hour after market mitigated this other block. Market is trying to push it up. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. If we can redefine the market very well. Let's just see define. This will serve as liquidity on 15-minute time frame. Market may sweep this as liquidity before continuing the uptrend on 15-minute time frame. Seriously. Market may sweep this as liquidity before continuing the uptrend. So let's say we are having what? We are having our buy there over there. So let's see this market is going to buy. This is so let's see what market is trying to do because there's FEG here. Let's see what market is trying to do. That is it. Let's move to GJ. This is GJ, and this is our analysis from yesterday. You can see the market has not mitigated it. You already know we are in uptrend on GJ self. Seriously, we are in uptrend on GJ. Let's just see what the market is trying to do to take the trade or to take the trend. On 4 hours, this is the 4 hours, and this is the way opportunity is on 4 hours. So what we are having now, we are having bullish, but our confirmation must be what? Let's wait for our confirmation very well. This may be as liquidity swept also. Market mitigated it and continued the uptrend seriously. So that's it. Because this will serve as inducement. This will serve as inducement for me. Market is going to sweep the inducement and continue the uptrend. That is it. Let's see what BTC is doing. BTC and Ethereum. Let's see what those pair, those stocks are doing. Those crypto stocks are doing. Oh, the market is in bullish yesterday. You can see all that I say yesterday. I say the market is going to be bullish since market has mitigated this and it's going to break it. It's to give us what? It give us bullish doji candle, and you can see. And let's move to 4 hours. On 4 hours is the same. Definitely, the market is in uptrend. Seriously, why the market is in uptrend? The market has engulfed this also, this candle also, this candle, this bearish candle before this doji, this bullish candle mark the engulfing. You can see the engulfing is too large, so this will serve as liquidity. Market is coming to this other block. We guys take this buy seriously, but we just wait for the opportunity to take the buy seriously. This is the last break of structure, and we can say this is change of character. This change of character, and we have two FEG. As for me, we have two FEG, which the market is going to sweat seriously. And we have change of character, and we have this FEG first FEG. Let's see what the market is trying to do. This is the first FEG, and this is the second FEG. But market may not come back to that FEG. But let's just see. Let's see. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. If the Fibonacci retracement can give us what? You guys, let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, you see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. So we guys be patient for this trade. We guys be patient for this trade. Yes, this 4 hours is giving us this liquidity, and market is going to sweep this 4 hours liquidity before continuing the uptrend. So we are still in uptrend. All this market that is coming, we guys be patient. Seriously, we cannot just enter the market anyhow. We can't just it's not advisable for us to enter the market anyhow. So we guys be patient, we gotta be patient, we guys be patient. You already know patience is the key. So let's see what is happening. If the market is coming to this first FEG or the second FEG, we guys what? We guys see what the market is trying to do. But if we want to take this trade, if we use this weekly candle, let's use this week candle. You can see this week candle. Definitely the market is coming to 50 before they continue the uptrend. Let's move to Ethereum. This is Ethereum also. They are moving the same thing. This one is always bullish. This market is bullish. So place to take the market is the problem. It's not the problem for for some, but as for me, let's see where we can take this trade. This is the change of character. and we have FED here, and we have opportunity here. Let's see if the buy can start from here. So this is what we are having. All these ones are liquidity market is going to sweep. Are liquidity. You can see all these are liquidity. All these are liquidity market is going to sweep. If market is coming back here, they give us the bullish. Same on Ethereum also. On BTC also, you can see market is going to sweep it. So that is it. This is what we are having on what on Ethereum and what and BTC. So let's just stay ahead and take the trade. So if we are taking the opportunity here, we are taking the opportunity here. Seriously, if the market come back, let's wait for the market. If the market can reaches back before giving us what the bullish. You already know this is what we have today. Let's just stay ahead to the market and see and be watching what the market asks for us. Seriously, you know that the rule is that just follow your analysis, enter the trade, don't be panic. Seriously, what the mark if we the strategy is not even 100%, you understand? The strategy is what is 30%. Why the what? No, let's say the strategy is 20%, the risk management is what 10%, and the psychological is what 70%. That's how the trading is. But since you have know your structure and this is the structure, definitely if market is going in direction, you have know the direction, and that just do your analysis and let the market print what let the market print what it asks for you. Seriously, the market may print you blue and the market may print you red. So next time you will know what you are going to do. So fam, this is what we have today. Let's just be patient. Seriously, let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. We are going to succeed. We have succeeded already, sir. It's just a matter of time. Seriously, just believe in yourself. That's what I have today. You already know my name is Abuji001. Kindly don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. You already know. And if you do not understand, kindly enter my bio description. You will see my Telegram link or Instagram link. So just message me, I will reply you. But if you not want to do that, message me in the comment section. So, but I will prefer to message me on Telegram or on Telegram. Seriously, that Telegram will be okay. That Instagram is not. I don't function on that Instagram too much. Yes, but I cannot say if I'm if I'm now stable on this trading very well, you understand, I cannot be for sure on social media. But as for now, message me on Telegram. And for the professionals, if you see this guy is just I like this guy, I like this analysis, but let me just help this guy. You understand? You know that we rise by lifting each other. So kindly message me my sir through my what Telegram. And my female trader also kindly message me. I'm open for learning. I'm open to learn seriously. So have a good day, have a profitable day, and have a successful day ahead. So have a successful day ahead. This remaining 2 days, today and tomorrow, will be profitable for us. Thanks, peace and love, love you. Bye.